Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now you guys Umusa posted a video. I don't know what is it with Umusa Mselegu guys that he likes posting, like he puts these pictures into one app or something like that and makes a mini video. I don't know why he doesn't post the pictures and as individuals, but anyway, he posted this video guys of his wives in order. And we all know what these are old pictures, you guys. But even if they are old pictures, some of us, we are still expecting to see Usamke, because is Usamke not number 5, guys? Is she not the wife? Other people are busy saying, which you know, Usamke, actually, she's not a wife. She's a fiance. I'm just like, Linda, because I remember Umatlele saying, Uguchi, she is not going to welcome a girlfriend. And she's only going to meet the girl when she's lobola. Now, you know which is society and the whole thing of lobola, but my understanding would see if a person is lobola, they are technically a wife. Now, people have been speculating, you guys, which in number 5, like it's just all an act, so there's this comment that I saw. This person said number 5, Ageko Utando Nestembo just had to entertain us, hence the paid actress pretending to be wife number 5, ne? And then someone responded underneath that comment and said, I suspect that too, Bafuna, to keep the viewers. And then another person said something and said, people from Mzumbe, but she is very much there and she has a son now. Now, guys, that comment, I've been seeing it around on some of my videos. I've been seeing it circulating on different parts of social media. Uti Indabara Samke, she actually is still in the picture and she actually does have a child with Umselegu. Now, guys, remember last week's episode, when she saw Samke, she was just like, girl, is there a pan in the oven? But she asked her like, Kelly, like, is there someone in the stomach because of the dress she was wearing? I don't understand why she'd say that. And I don't understand why people say that, guys, because summer dresses are like that. Like, nami ang dina lentong giting koge summer dress, mundang buzu wuti, like, are you pregnant? Like, really? Like, summer dresses are meant to sit like that. But anyway, I see kolapo. But guys, I have a feeling Uguti, this Indabala number 5 is not acting, you guys. Because I remember when Umusa started speaking about number 5, we were all just like, they are lying in Indabala number 5, Aiko and whatnot. I just have a feeling, guys, Uguti, it is true. Uguti Samke is actually a wife. I don't think she's an actress. I think she is actually Umusa Mselegu's partner. And I don't think people would be saying the same thing saying Uguti Ugeli actually has a child. She's given birth to a child, Mselegu's child. Yo, guys, I don't know. At the same time, I want to say, which I don't think people would make such things up. But at the same time, when you are a public figure, especially for a show that everyone watches like this, people are bound to make up things. But the people Basem Zumbe are the ones that really know the truth around this matter. So they must come out. Bas what is what? Or either, guys, it could be an incident of, remember Umpumelelo, in Izingane Zestembu, he wanted to make that girl, was her name Unumpumelelo? Not Unumpumelelo, I forgot that other girl's name, but she was from the Taylor family and she was supposedly supposed to be wife number 1. And people were saying no, which she was hired. The girl ended up leaving. We don't know till today if she was hired or if there's news around that. I don't know. I did not follow it up. I just know which girl said Uguti, her father did not approve of the relationship and that's why she left Umpumelelo. She even did a live stream crying there because it looked like she was heartbroken or something like that. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I just have a feeling inside of me, Uguti. This is not acting. I know, Uguti, when we think about it, it's just like, man, like, really, there's a person, Opilis movie, ganje. But I don't think it's acting, guys. I think there's truth in it. I do think Ugutu Samke does have a child with uLokuzana, with uMusa, or maybe she doesn't. I don't know, but this is just my thoughts. I do think ukuthi she has a child with uMusa. I do think she's still uMusa's partner, but I'm just curious ukuthi why is there so much? Or maybe uMusa enjoys, he enjoys us as the fans, thinking of whether number 5 is there or not. But I'm just wondering, why is there so much mystery around posting number 5 if she is actually a wife or if they are actually still together? Hey guys, yeah, I'm confused Alento, because 1 minute I'm just like it's true, 1 minute I'm like yeah, I'm sazi mina guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts around this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. That is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.